A pleasant day for everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the writing drama script, prose in a drama. So what is drama? Drama is derived from the Greek word drama, which means to do or to act. Drama is mimetic action, that is action imitating or representing human behavior. According to Aristotle, drama is an imitation of life, a cultural mirror, and a reflection of. What is play or a drama script? A play or drama script is a story that has been written for actor to perform, with the term play, relating to a theatrical performance. People who write them are called playwrights, and sometimes the physical script might be called manuscripts, while some historical scripts are called folios. Okay, so what dramatic meaning? So dramatic meaning refers to the ideas and stories that the audience understand from watching a dramatic performance, or dramatic meaning is created by all of the elements of drama working together to create. Okay, so what is prose? So prose is a form of writing which has a natural flow with speech and writing. It is grammatically correct but does not have a metrical structure as something like poetry. So these are the type of prose. There are various type of prose as follows. The non-fiction prose, this type is written work based around facts. You might see this in such piece of writing such as biographies or essay. And fictional prose, this type is a work of fiction such as a novel or a short story. And we have the heroic prose. This is a type of prose which is literary that can be either written or spoken. You might notice this form of prose when looking at myths and. So, what is the methodology of this research? The stylistic of drama is the linguistic description and interpretation of play text. The keystone of the field must be the recognition that the language of play text constitutes worthy of analysis in its own right. So that is to say, play text should not be taken as simply a dramatic poem or as a reflection of real-life spoken conversation. Playtexts are framed by a characteristic discourse structure and are largely constituted by dialogue through which character is constructed. So the stylistic analysis of prose is to explore and explain the particular choices made by the writer, author in the selections of words and sentence structure. In other words, the style employed by the author serves to present a particular emotions and meaning. When you read a novel or a newspaper or perhaps even a text you are reading. Okay, so point of view and dramatic meaning. A play or drama script is a story that has been written for actors to perform, with the term play relating to a theatrical performance. People who write them are called playwrights, and sometimes the physical script might be called manuscript, while some historical scripts are called folios through their format. And before you can begin to write a play, you first have to understand the format and how a play differs in structures from other fictions. So, point of view and prose meaning. So, when you read a novel, a newspaper, or perhaps even a textbook, you are reading prose. The simplest definition of prose is a form of writing which has a natural flow with speech and writing. It is grammatically correct but does not have a metrical structure as something like poetry would have. So, however, the prose isn't limited to written works. It is also, for the most part, how we speak in our everyday language and also how we think. When we talk about prose, we are referring to a type of language which does not demonstrate any particular structure but leans more in favor of delivering concise and clear language that can be easily. Okay, so relationship between prose and drama. Drama is more traditionally connected to cultures with lower literacy where people could watch and listen to stories. They might not be able to read. The prose is connected to both being able to read and afford. Printed matter meant people could go off privately with a book, journal, or pamphlets and read and ponder the work in solitude. though prose work were often read aloud as well, but in the home and in the case of pamphlets on the street, though the relationship with drama is associated with the community, the idea is that people go en masse to see a performance. Although the prose is often tied to rise of the private individual, so, function of the prose and a written drama. In literature, the basic purpose of prose in writing is to convey an idea, deliver information, or tell a story. The prose is the way a writer fulfills her basic promise to a reader to deliver a story with characters, settings, conflict, a plot, and a final payoff. So, a script or written drama, which is adjustment of the story for the purpose of a stage performance, contains information about how the actor is to carry himself. Okay, so findings. Writing drama is not only to be read but also to be acted on the stage with different interpretation for its reading and performance on stage. A drama is a script that can be read on its own without the need for space, actors, other artistic support. When a drama script is acted out on the stage in combination with various other arts before an audience, it is called theatre. It is more important to distinguish prose and drama in order to come up with better results in writing drama. So drama refers to plays when are written to be acted on a stage by people playing the parts of characters. So it is a performing art in which actors use dialogue and actions to tell a story or convey a message to a viewing audience. In most cases, dramatic work are written down so that the performers can memorize and rehearse the lines before performing them live. The written form of a drama takes the structure of a script as lines of dialogue, with the speaker's name clearly designated before each line, instruction for the director about the set or the performance about their actions are written in notes, usually set in italics before or between the lines of. So drama requires that characters, though either be spoken aloud or portrayed via body language and movement. Drama requires that characters thought either be spoken aloud or portrayed via body language and movement. Prose allows the author, depending on the chosen point of view, to describe the inner thought and feelings of characters. The prose is usually meant to be read privately by an individual, though speeches are almost always written in prose. Think of drama as plays and prose as novels, short stories, or. These notes are usually quiet because the director will determine a significant amount of the choreography and will teach it to the actor during rehearsals. Thus, when one reads the script of drama instead of seeing it performed, one misses out on a great deal of description that would explain the character's movement and expressions. So I come up with the conclusion that distinguishing prose drama has significant in the effectiveness of writing drama script. A good drama script characters must be able to carry the story further, that the nature of a drama is driven by dialogue. The author's thought or ideas are conveyed through dialogue by the actors interacting in a drama. A good drama script will be able to give a clear pictures of the author's thought through the dialogue. So a good drama should have an element of suspense, tensions, and be able to arouse the curiosity of its reader or audience. It is also significant to focus on the dictions or expressions that can create conflictions in a drama